Hi there, I'm Shelley and Steps behind the camera.
Hi.
And today we're going to create here a partition wall. The door we've already created. First of all, we're going to start by creating the partition wall framework. For this, we're going to use 40 x 60 pieces of timber. Mark the floor here with some tape. This is so that we can find the middle and find where the posts are when we staple it into position. We've also got here some tape that's there to tell us that's where the electrics are going to go, so we don't want to put any staples in the wall. We've put in here a wood fibre insulation for acoustic reasons, and we've also had some electrics put in from the electrician. We're now going to cover this side of the wall also with the OSB boards. On top of the OSB boards we could put plasterboard or pharmacell boards, and then it can be wallpapered or plastered. And at this point I'm going to say bye, but stay to the end of the film.